I've got another really unique Rolex President piece to discuss with you today. Of course, you can tell this is going to be a 26 millimeter Rolex President watch. This is going to come in yellow gold. That's going to be 18 karat yellow gold, of course, with the hidden clasp as we know and love. But there are a couple things that really set this watch apart. Of course, you recognize the key elements of that change here on the dial and the bezel. Of course, for starters, instead of just having diamonds, this watch does incorporate sapphires into the elements of the watch, not only on the hour markers themselves, but at the well, I guess you would call it the four cardinal directions. The 3, 6, 9, and 12 on the bezel are all baguette cut sapphires as well. But this dial is going to be considered a decorated champagne dial with string diamonds and sapphire hour markers. So it does have diamonds in between the sapphires located at the hour markers and diamonds located in between those four main hours that we do see on the bezel. Come check it out at SwissWatchExpo.com.